Alrighty, what is going on, my friend? This is Joe Dickinson, and I'm going to walk you through the VideoShark software. So this is going to be kind of like a little A to Z, short training video that goes through the entire platform. As it stands right now, we're always making updates, we're always taking feature requests, etc. So stay tuned. We're going to keep enhancing this to make it just even more and more and more powerful for you all. But I wanted to give you kind of an intro of how this works, how to navigate things, where to find more training, how to update your billing. I mean, pretty much everything. And then, of course, we'll have additional training videos that you can select right underneath the training tab. If you go there, you'll see a video arsenal of specific videos talking about specific questions that you may have. So let me go ahead and get started here with how do you, create a subtitled video? How do you stylize your videos to look good on social media, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to see, it's going to say hi and then your name, and then it's going to ask you what would you like to do. Would you like to add subtitles to a new video, or would you like to view or edit an existing video that you've already uploaded into the software? So if you click on add subtitles to a new video, you're going to be able to just drag and drop your video file here. You can select here and your editor will open up, and you can just go ahead and grab your video file and put it there. And then you're going to click Save Default. Now what's going to happen is it's going to upload. Now if it takes a couple minutes, no problem. Just go do something else, get a cup of coffee or tea or whatever, and then come back. And once it's uploaded, if you click on View Video or Video Vault, it will pop up right here. And then any video that you put in here will pop up here, and you'll have the ability to click to edit it. So that's how you do that. Now I'm going to show you how to edit in just a second. It's very simple and easy to use, but I do want to mention this. If you're wondering, well, how do I get my video file into VideoShark? Like, how should I do that? Here's what I'd recommend. Most of you are probably using your phone to record your video, okay? So if you're doing that, make sure you hold your phone sideways, record the video, and then what I would do is I would either airdrop, if you have an Apple product, airdrop the video, and I'll have a video on how to do this. Airdrop it, or you can Google it. Airdrop it from here to your computer so you get the file on your computer, or you can use a software called WeTransfer.com, and you can actually pull this link up on your mobile device. You can click on, because you're going to see a screen like this, you're going to click on Take Me to Free, and you can actually go ahead and you can just send your video right from your phone to yourself. So what'll happen is you can add your video file, you can enter your email as the email to and the email from, and then click transfer, all right, and it will actually transfer to you. So that way you can open your email up on your computer, you can save the video, and then you can go ahead and upload it right into VideoShark. All right, so simple way. I have another video on that, but if you're wondering, well, how do I get videos onto there, that's how you would do that. So let me go over to Video Vault, and here's the video that I uploaded. Let me click on Edit, and here we go. Here's my video. So automatically subtitles have been generated. You can click this little autosave button. What that means is if you make updates right here, it will automatically save. So let's click autosave on it. I'll show you. Updating subtitle. Check this out. Whoop. Updating. One second. There we go. Now if I click here, see how it autosaves? If I click that off, it won't do that. Make changes. So you'll have to then just click on save only to save. Alright? But if you do want to autosave, you can just click that on or click it off. It's up to you. Next thing I want to mention is you see this here? You can actually drag this around. So you can bring this up here. It's really cool. You can move this around. You can always bring it back to where it went. What's cool about that is as you're editing your video, if you decide, like you see how this video is more of a landscape type version, it's more for YouTube and social media. If you want to do an Instagram edit, if you click on this, you see how it gets square? This, and by the way, see how the subtitle shows there? Don't worry, when you click play, it will move. See, there you go. So there you go. So anyways, that's a little glitch we'll fix, but anyway, so this is your Instagram, but if you notice, like, it's kind of hard to see your editor and this at the same time. So in this case, just slide this sucker over. Boom, now you can go side by side with each other. So let me go ahead and go back to this. See how it's up here now? What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here. Let me go over to 1 by 1. Grab it again. Move it. All right. And like I said, if you're seeing this video at this time, we've probably even cleaned this up. Any little things like that that we see, we'll make sure to do that. All right, so let's just go back over to here. So now we're good to go. Let's move this over. Let's move this over. Let's move this back. All right. So click play, and there you go. So here's how the editor works. It's pretty simple. So here's all your subtitles to the right. Go through and, you know, the algorithm's not perfect, unfortunately, right? But it's pretty close. And so just go through and make sure everything is set up. You know, hey, I don't really need 2 commas here. I might just want to use 1 hey, right? So maybe I do that. Let's turn autosave on. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. And now we're doing well. So go through each headline. Click here. You know, you can add, if you wanted to move this one up, you can always, you know, I had him go sit. You see how you can add things? Take things away. If you want to move this text down to this subtitle or this timestamp, you can. And just play the video as you go through.
24 hours, free little tactic. You can do it like right now. I had him go sit in his kitchen. You can sit.
See how that works? Now, what's cool about this is this. See this background opacity? See how if we move this up, it gets darker behind. You can see the subtitles easier. You can bring it back. You can change your background color. Maybe you wanted red. You can change the text color. Maybe you wanted black on the text. And then say you want to make the font size bigger. You can drag this up, make the font size bigger. You can make it smaller. You can bring it down. So let's go with a white. I actually like this combo here. Give it like a white, and then we have a black. Or maybe you want to go with like a blue. And then you can change the font too. Boom. 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 Let's bring the font size down a little bit. So you can see how you can save that, or you can change this. Click save.
Get a picture of a utility bill or
so there you go. So as you're doing this, you can click save, and then if you wanted to download this video, so say everything was good, you can click on save and download here, and it will download. I'm going to show you that in a second, but let's go ahead and jump over to Instagram. So you could go ahead and save and download this video, all right? And what'll happen is this video will download right here, and then you're good. That file will be your video that you upload to YouTube or social media, etc. So what I'm going to do is, while this is actually loading, I'm going to open VideoShark again over here. Let me go to Video Vault. So here you go. Here is my editor right where I left off. Now say I wanted to create the same video but for Instagram, right? You want to make it a square video for Instagram. So you click on over here. Dimensions 1 to 1, and you can start editing. So as you can see, same settings here. Let's just click play. It'll shift down there. It's just when you switch, it's not auto updating, which we'll make sure that it does. But anyways, point being is you're good. It won't cause you any issues. And then with Instagram, you have this black space up here, so you can actually add a headline right here, which is cool. So let's call this VideoShark Explained. Okay, that's my headline there. Let's click save only. Let's go back over here. So this one's rendering out. And there's my title there, VideoShark Explained. Let me move this up so it's easier to see. So I got my title. Now I want to make my title a little bigger. See how you can drag it, make it bigger. If you want to make your box color different, let's make it red or let's make it blue. And let's make the bottom box color blue to match it. So we might want to copy this code, put it here, right? And then let's click play. Boom. So there you go. Let's make the background color. Let's just make it no opacity. Let's make the text color white. Let's move the font size up. So you can see how it's working. Now say you wanted to go ahead and change the font at the top. There you go. Boom. You can center left or right. Justify, center's usually good. And boom. Now you have yourself one of these Instagram edits with subtitles. So from there, you can click on save and download, and then it will render out this version, which is a square version, which you can upload then to Instagram, etc. So that's pretty cool. You can change the headline color if you'd like. You know, all sorts of, that's actually a really cool combination. And we're going to be adding more features to this too. Depending on when you're watching this, there might be more features in here. But, you know, progress bars and imagery and stuff that you can add, it's going to be really cool. But it's the only software that'll generate the subtitles for you, allow you to edit and stylize. It's an all-inclusive software. So all you would do then is you click save and download, and then it would auto-download that file for you, all right? So that's how that works. Of course, you can always switch back. Let me move this over to this 16 by 9. Drag this over, and now you have this. All right, and then there you go. There's the updates. And then you can click on save, and you're good to go. So anyways, that's how the editor works. Feel free to mess around with that. One thing I do want to show you very quickly is if you have a long title up here, and I always recommend going with a shorter one, but if you do have a long title, check out this little hack that we have here. So if we click here, you see this little BR? What that means is it's a page break. So it's essentially saying to the software, hey software, I want We Are Testing to be the top headline, and then I want BR, I want a line break, and then make VideoShark on the bottom headline. So you might want to say video about, let me just click play real quick. There we go. So I want to move that down. Video about, or video for Instagram. So check this out. Click save. And there you go. See how it did video for Instagram? Now if we take out this BR, boom, video for Instagram. So you can go ahead and change that. If you want to put it back in, boom. Or you can click on this plus button. So if we click here, check this out. Boom. Boom. You can add more page breaks. I wouldn't go more than 2, right? Unless you got a small font size. So that's how that works. All right. So you click save and then you're good. So that's your editor, right? Bounce between those things. Video Vault. You're going to see all the videos you've uploaded. You can edit them. You can quickly download them. You're good to go. This Training Vault, this is where all the training videos are. You just see placeholders here on this demo account, but all your training videos are here. And then if you have support, you can visit our training section, which links you here, or you can submit a ticket. We're really good about answering questions, so we'll take care of you there. And then if you go into your account settings here, you can go update your billing information, make sure that you're good to go. If your payment's failing, you need to update your billing, you can go here. If you want to take advantage of our affiliate program, you can share this software and earn commissions. We have another video on that. If you need to cancel your account, you can do that here. And then, of course, you can go back over to here and you're back. So with that being said, that's your broad overview. Get in there. Start working with these videos. We're going to have a lot more training in this Training Vault that you can go look at right now as far as what should you shoot videos on, where to post these videos, how to get traction to the videos, how to build your personal brand, different features that are upcoming. So stay tuned. I'm super excited. Use subtitles on your videos because they are massively important for you to get more engagement. A lot of people scroll through news feeds at work and places where they can't have the sound on, but they're still looking at your content. So allow them to follow along with you with subtitles right in there. So, and it just levels up videos entirely, especially when they're stylized, and it makes you look like you're a total boss, right? So with that being said, I will talk to you in the next video, and reach out if you have questions. Enjoy the software, guys. Bye-bye.